In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set pending orders inside of Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Metatrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into an account or open an account. You can do that by clicking File and then Open an account. And then choose the specific company that you want to open an account with. From here, you'll simply click Next. And then you'll need to fill out the specific information right here. And once you've done that, you should bring something like this where you have officially successfully signed into an account. From here, you'll need to go down to Trade and then right click on it and click New Order. You can also click F9 or click up here in the menu to get this specific order tab opened. From here, under Type, you need to click on Pending Order, and then from here, you'll need to change the symbol to the specific symbol that you want to trade with. So let's just trade with this one in particular, and then click a volume, stop loss, take profit, and add a comment if you want to do that, and click buy by market. Then from here, you have successfully set a pending order inside of Metatrader 5. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!